Yeah. That's that Lucas grease right there. That's some good stuff right there. I like that Lucas grease. That's that extra heavy duty right there. It's green. Got that gear. Got it marked right there. It's got 2 punch marks in it. So many teeth in relationship to this keyway around that way. But we got to get it in this engine. So we'll put a little, just not much, very little. This here grease on here. That's what we're going to be using in the engine. This is what we're going to be putting on there. Yonder gear, cam and camshaft. And the keyway. Just kind of keep a little rust off of it, you know. We'll clean it up and paint it later. That's about all they are to putting a cam on a 3 horsepower McCormick-Deering-engine. I ran that tap down in that thing right there a little bit earlier, and this cover goes on here like so. We'll take this back off when we get ready to paint it. A little clean and prime. Get us some parts together. And that's the way that functions. On the one with the igniter, the grease fitting goes in the top right there with the grease cup up yonder. But timing marks goes to the crankshaft. These two timing marks here goes with that timing mark right there.